right, gang, kind of hard to see, but we got 3 of them up. Let me get over here. You can see that one all the way to the other side. They got them all nice and braced. So 3 up. They're getting ready to put the 4th one up, and then they got to put the purlins on and all that kind of stuff. See that or not, I'll go over to this other one, and there's the 3 bolts that are bolting to it. What they've got here is, let me walk over here. You're going to have a little interference here. But what they've got is this bolted to the back side in the middle of the post. So we're all set. Anyway. We had a real bad rainstorm here last night. It's muddier than heck again. Nick can identify with that. What a mess. It's down about 2 inches. We got about 2/3 of an inch at our house. I don't know what you got up here. We need to put some kind of a rain gauge in so we can see where you're at. Anyway, hard to see, but he's working over here. He's getting ready to come up here and set it up. Everything's braced. They've got it pretty well braced, so it's not gonna tip over or fall down or push the posts over, and it'll be fine until they put the purlins across it to hold everything together. They got a pallet you can see on the lift. Everything's tied on and braced down. So he's going to lift this guy up. We got to clear this tree over here. And then I'm sure he'll move it over and set it in there. I'll give you a little shot right here on the side. Oh, he just cleared the tree on the left, just barely, but that's cool. He knows what he's doing. If you don't get the machine stuck. Alright, gang, here's a little video from the farm. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning. I'm out here by the big building. I've been picking up roofing screws for almost an hour. I've got probably a pound of them. But here's your scale. I put this little ass truck inside this big ass barn, and you can see how much room you have, which is ample. The trailer hitch is probably just inside where the door will be eventually. And so as we walk across here, you can see that there's a couple of inches in the front of it before we hit the other wall. Yeah, you got lots of room. So I'm going to go around to the other side on the back in the woods. And They still got a couple of ladders to pick up, and they're doing some cleanup work. But from this angle, it's still a little truck in this big-ass barn.